Hello friends, today I have received this product and it is a Lego Space Shuttle Rocket. Now I am going to unbox it. This is a manual book and it has all the instructions to assemble the Lego pieces. Now I am going to open the set of Lego pieces. This set has studs, tiles, bricks and base plates. Friends, I have assembled the Lego pieces and now I am going to show you my space shuttle. I am opening the space shuttle's door and now I am going to attach the satellite at the robot arm. I used different Lego pieces to create this launch pad. This is a detachable fuel tank and these are the thrusters. And these are the rocket boosters that I have already assembled. It has two astronaut minifigures. Now I am attaching all the space shuttle parts together. I spent a lot of time and effort building it. Now I am keeping it on the launch pad. And my space shuttle rocket is ready to ignite. Building this space shuttle rocket was a fun learning and challenging project. I had carefully followed the instructions and I took help from my parents to make this space shuttle. Hope you enjoyed watching about my space shuttle rocket. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.